From Forex Traders Daily, this is your daily analysis with Ross Mullins, live from Richmond, Virginia.
Hello everyone, this is today's video analysis for April 5th, 2018. Today, we're going to take a look at the EURUSD, the euro, versus the US dollar for today's trade analysis. First, I want to recognize that we have been somewhat in a long-term range here for this currency pair. You look at the vertical red line all the way back on January 12, vertical red line, about the middle of the chart. You can see everything so far this year to the right of January 12th has been stuck inside this range. If I zoom out a little bit more, you can even see how long it's been in there, that black box top right hand corner of the trend. So it's been quite a long range here. Let's go ahead and zoom it back in, and now you can see that black box, everything to the right of the left hand side of the chart. We've been stuck in that range. We've also had smaller periods of congestion within that range. I've highlighted them with some boxes here, the blue boxes between the pink and the green zone, the black boxes between the pink and the yellow zone. We've been stuck for the past 4 or 5 days between the yellow and the pink zone, now breaking, or attempting, I should say, to break underneath 1.2270 and pressure back down to the bottom of the longer term range, the green shaded area. We do have the blue trend line, which is that longer term trend line, zooming it back out like this. You can see that blue trend line sitting there, but definitely some things that you'll want to pay attention to over the next few days. If we can see the market break the green zone, break the blue trend line, maybe even break the 100 period moving average, we could begin seeing a much deeper reversal here for the euro to go back down again. If it can't break through there and find support at the trend line, moving average, green zone, we may be looking for a bounce back up, just like it did back here on the left hand side. So let's come back to today. We see the market attempting to get underneath 122.70 today. The pink shaded area goes from 122.70 up to 122.90. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days pretty much finding support on top of that pink zone. Now today it's attempting to get underneath it. Zoom in one more time. I say attempting to get underneath it because if you look back here where the black circle is, it did that too. It got underneath, it tried to get underneath it here, bounced up. Tried to get underneath it here, bounced up. Even here, a big red candle suddenly reversed and went back in the other direction. So what we're looking for is significant clues to a breakout here from the green shaded or the pink shaded area to head back down to the green shaded area. So we needed to break underneath this pink zone. Is this a breakout? I would say no. It's not a clear breakout. What I'm typically looking for is a singular candle body underneath 122.70 or underneath the support zone to give me higher confidence. Let's go ahead and take it on down to the 4-hour time frame. Now we begin to see a little bit of a different picture. Back here where the circle was, where we saw the market attempting, it did actually get underneath, but we had some news that caused the market to turn around and go back up in the other direction. Now here we are again, once again, trying to attempt that breakout underneath the pink zone. We can see we have our current 4-hour candle clearly underneath 122.70. That may be our first and next clue that we're looking for this currency pair to continue to hit pressure back down for the euro dollar. Of course, we have significant news tomorrow. Non-farm payrolls popping up out of the U.S. tomorrow could change everything and send this right back up again as it did the last time. But for as long as it stays underneath this pink zone, I have a greater expectation of a fall back down to the green zone at the bottom of the chart. So that's what we're looking for. We're looking for it to stay under the pink zone today, continue that fall back down to the green zone in the direction of our current trend. We also, incidentally, have a new sell signal for the Forex Black Book. If you're not sure what that means, then please join us in the live daily trade room later today at 10 a.m. Eastern U.S. time.
From Forex Traders Daily, this has been your daily analysis with Ross Mullins. If you would like to get Ross's analysis on all the currency pairs he's watching and all the trades he takes today, join him in his live trade room by clicking on the link below. Please leave any comments you have about today's video in the comments section below.